Okay, the F major scale, what we have is a B flat, okay? And our fingering is the same with the left hand. Even though with the right hand, it starts on a different finger. Well, on the left hand, your bass clef, what it's doing is the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, middle over, thumb under, okay? So let's do that together now. Your F major scale 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, you'll see sometimes I put an extra one in there, and no biggie, okay? That should just show you how much I'm really trying to do this hands-on with you. Keep your wrist up, and let's name those notes now for our F major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, G, A, B flat, C, middle over to D, E, F, E, D, thumb under to C, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, B flat, C, middle over to D, E, F, E, D, thumb under to C, B flat, okay, D, F, octave. Now let's play that in half time, really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. notice how I did a half note? I wanted to see and ask, did anybody pick up on that? Instead of quarter notes, I did quarters, but when I hit that B flat, what did I do? Half note. All right. Get a little bit carried away sometimes there because I do want you guys to get it. Let's do the little tutorial that you can go to by itself and have the fingering just for 1, 2, 3. Remember your thumb under, your index, middle over. Okay? Let's do that together very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, E, D, thumb under your C, index B flat, C, middle over to D, E, F, E, D, thumb under your C, index B flat, middle over D. Now, make sure that you got yourself a mindset that you're now remembering the under, over, all right? Under with your thumb, over, middle finger. Let's do that together just to make sure we've got it. From the beginning, the F major 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb under. Middle finger over. Keep that wrist up. Thumb under. Keep that wrist up. Middle finger over. All right. Now we're going to move on to our G major. Thank you very much. And remember now, if there's any questions, you email us. You let us know. Because I'm able to constantly keep giving you different tutorials, different sight reading exercises. We are going to learn together. All right? Thank you so much for participating in this great joy of learning the piano and the theory that goes with it, because it is very important. Somebody can go, yeah, I can play, A major scale. I can play an E flat major, minor, it doesn't matter. An A minor melodic. Who cares? That's the whole idea, right? But when you know what key it's in, and you know each note individually, what you're doing then is retaining that information, and that means that I'm doing something right. Okay? Thank you so much, and let's move on now to our G major. We'll just end it really quick with an F major. It's really difficult. You'll see how that B flat will throw you off every time. That's why I'm kind of like, being repetitive by saying it, but you'll thank me in the long run. So let's get ready now and move on to our G major.